Alright, after showing you how to do a 3-variable Boolean expression, I'm now going to show you how to do a 4-variable Boolean expression. Our function f has already been implemented in the truth table. We're going to trace along and show you where our ones come from. So, first we're going to look for A, B, C bar, and D, which means we're looking for 1, 1, 0, 1, which is here. And now we're on to the next part of it, which is A bar, C, and B bar, and D bar. Notice that B is missing, which means we don't care about the value of B. So we should be looking for 0, a don't care value, 1, and a 0. Because we have 3 variables in this part, where we should be getting 2 ones from it. So a 0 on A, a 1 on C, and a 0 on D bar, for D bar. This would be one of them, and this would also be one of them. Now we have found our ones. We're going to move on. So we're now looking for A bar, B bar, C, and D, which means we're looking for 0, 0, 1, 1, which would be this one. So that is completed. Now we are looking for B bar, C bar, and D bar. A is missing, so that means we are looking for 2 ones. So you would get a 1 here, and we would also get a 1 here. And finally, we have come to A, C, and D bar. Because it's 3 variables, we should get 2 outputs of 1. It should be here and here. Now we're going to implement it into the Karnaugh map. As you can notice, it has already been done. So we're now going to look at the ones in the corners that have been selected. Because they are adjacent, according to the rule that ones in the corners of the Karnaugh map are adjacent to each other. So they make a group of 4 ones. And by looking at the values of A, B, and C, we have denoted that the simplified form of that is B bar, D bar. Now we're going to look at the ones on 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 1, 1, 0. Here we have the ones grouped in a straight line for all 4 ones, which means that we should not be looking at A, B, because the bits on A and B change in every row. So we should be looking at CD. And in this case, the entire column of ones has been circled. So we already know our answer is C, D bar. And finally, we got another group of ones, 2 ones though, which means we should have 3 variables on our output, on our simplification. So we're going to look at A, B, and C and see where we can get it out from. So we have a 0 and a 0 on B, and because they're in a row, you can see they're not going to any other column, so they stay the same. So we would get those A bar and B bar, and then C bar, and then C bar, because in the last two columns we have C as 1 and the D changed.